Hey y'all, it's the Land Fam. Today I'm making eggplant burgers and eggplant french fries. And when I tell you this recipe does not disappoint, you will definitely be amazed, especially what eggplant could taste like, especially when you make a burger. So go like and subscribe and press the bell when you do. Thank you. So the main star of this dish will, of course, the eggplant. What I'm going to do is just give it a good rinse and start peeling it. Once I'm done peeling it, I'm going to cut it in half, and I'm going to leave one half for my french fries and the other half is for my burger. And I'm going to cut it in squares, probably like medium size. I'm going to push those to the side and start cutting up my fries. I'm going to move my burger and my fries to the side, and I'm going to start peeling these veggies. I'm going to be chopping up a yellow and a red bell pepper. Now I'm chopping up probably like 3 or 4 cloves of garlic. I'm going to preheat my pan with the olive oil, and then I'm going to add my cut up eggplant. So I'm going to be using seasoning salt, black pepper, and some garlic, as well as that Sazon packet. Just use half of that Sazon packet if you're not making a lot. You're just going to keep giving it a little stir, and you're going to make sure that it gets nice and soft. Make sure it gets really, really, really soft. And I added a splash of water in there as well. Once it's nice and soft, you're going to put it into a bowl, and you're going to put it to the side and let it sit and just get cooled off. Now for the fries, I'm going to be adding some seasoning salt, some Sazon packet, and some garlic powder and pepper. If you have a masher, that would be perfect. Clearly I didn't, so I had to mash it up with my hand. Then I put some of those Italian Progresso breadcrumbs inside so I could bind it together. And now you can start forming it together and making your patty. I'm going to be putting my fries into the air fryer. And if you don't have an air fryer, that's fine. You can also fry them in some oil and just use those Progresso breadcrumbs as the coating. Or you can also put it in the oven and bake them as well. I'm going to leave them in there for probably a good 12 to 15 minutes. It doesn't take long. And now I just rinsed out my pan and I'm going to just re-oil it and add those patties. Look how beautiful those look once you flip them. Oh my goodness. It looks good, but it tastes even better. Now it's time to plate. When I tell you get them toppings ready, yes, because it was so freaking good. I am telling you, this was a hit. Eggplant, a lot of people don't really use it like that or even make burgers. But I'm telling you, make you an eggplant burger. You will not be disappointed. Trust me. And again, thanks for watching the Land Fam. And go like and subscribe if you haven't already. And hit the bell because I definitely have way more recipes that I want to put on here. Thanks for watching.